The Blizzard of 2013. Ray, sit. Raymond's all ready to go out. Wanna get the hood on? Get your hood on, puppy. Get your hood on. Okay. Hey, mister, you ready to go out in this? Let's see it. Let's see the outfit. Oh! Alright.
Come on, Raymond.
Come on, Raymond.
Come on.
Oh. Ray's going to the bathroom. Very exciting.
Want me?
Yeah. No, Raymond, stay out there. Do a snow angel and call Ray over. He doesn't like it. Will you call him over again? Raymond, come on, go ahead.